Today's lesson is lesson 124, dividing a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Let's pretend that 4 children will share $68. I would like to know how much money each child will get, but it is difficult to find this answer mentally. So today I will show you how many people divide when they can't find the answer using mental computation. We begin by writing the problem like this. 68 divided by 4. This box here, this line here means divide. Okay? 68 is the same as 6 tens and 8 ones. Okay? First, we will divide the 6 tens by 4. The first step is we're going to divide. Okay? So, how many tens will each child get? Well, each child is going to get 1 10 because I can only put 4 into 6 one time. So I put a 1 above the tens digit. Now we will multiply to see how many tens we have used. So the second step is multiply. So I do 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Now the next step is I'm going to subtract to see if I have any tens left over. And I do, because 6 minus 4 is 2, which I write below the tens column. Now I will see if I have any ones to divide. And I will bring down the 8 ones and write them at the bottom of the problem to see what I have left to divide. So we bring down the ones place. Okay. Now I will use these same steps to divide this next number. We will use divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down to see if there are any ones left. So 4 times 7, so we have 4 can go into 28 7 times. 4 times 7, we're going to multiply now. 4 times 7 is 28. I subtract and I get 0. So 28 minus 28 is 0. We have divided all of the money and have nothing left over. So my answer is going to be $17. In this problem, I have $72, and there are 3 children that are going to be sharing the money. Okay. We can put this line in the middle to help if you need to, but you don't have to put it there. You can just have the number 72. So remember, the first step is to divide. So I do 7 divided by 3. Well, 3 can go into 7 2 times. The second step is multiply. So I do 3 times 2. 3 times 2 equals 6. The third step is subtract. So I do 7 minus 6, which is 1. And the final step is bring down. So I'll bring out the 2 ones to see how many ones we get. Now I do the steps again. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now I multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. Now I subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. And there's nothing left to bring down, so my answer is done. And I put a dollar sign because each person gets $24. Hey, let's do these two in each step. So first step is to divide. So 8 divided by 5 is 1. Then we multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. Next step is subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. And the final step is bring down. So I bring down the 5. Now we start over. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Now we multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract. 35 minus 35 is 0. And there's nothing left to bring down, so I'm finished. So my answer is $17. Okay, last example. First, we divide. 5 divided by 3 is 1. Then we multiply. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. We bring down the 7. Then we start over with divide. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Multiply. 3 times 9 is 27. Then we subtract. 27 minus 27 is 0. There's no more numbers to bring down, so my answer is $19. And that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.